Never been a big fan of chicken burgers, mainly because they're kind of boring and don't have a lot of flavor. And I'm going to show you a sauce that I put on that's going to take this chicken burger just totally over the top. That is a chicken burger that is about to meet my mouth. I am ready. Here we go. I'm a burger kind of person. Never been a big fan of chicken burgers, mainly because they're kind of boring and don't have a lot of flavor. But I decided I really want to get into the chicken burger. So I put a recipe together that has tons of flavor that kind of makes the chicken not taste so much like chicken, but it preserves the best part of the chicken, that little bit of chicken flavor, and then brings all these other ingredients and flavors together to make an amazing chicken burger, which we are going to do today. And at the end, I'm going to show you a sauce that I put on that's going to take this chicken burger just totally over the top. So we are starting today with a pound of ground chicken here in the bowl, and we're going to add some finely diced onion, a whole egg, breadcrumbs. Now we make our own breadcrumbs. These are gluten-free. You can use regular breadcrumbs, or you can get some gluten-free breadcrumbs as well. I've got salt, mustard powder, going to give it a little bit of a tang, paprika, pepper, Worcestershire sauce, and a couple garlic cloves. Now today I'm using roasted garlic because I had roasted garlic lying around, but garlic is fine, but if you want to use roasted garlic, it's going to bring it in. If you want to use roasted garlic, it's going to bring even more flavor. So now I'm mixing this together. It's going to take a little while for all of it to combine. I start with a spoon, and at some point I'm probably going to get in here with my hands. Okay, I've mixed it with a spoon, so now I'm going to get in here with my hands because I really want to feel that everything is distributed properly, especially the onions and the breadcrumbs. So it feels pretty good to me. So now I have this big pile of chicken burgerness, I guess. I don't know what you call it. So I've got a pan here with some foil that I've sprayed so it doesn't stick. And now what I want to do, the goal is 4 patties. Now if you split this into 4 patties, you're going to have 4 big patties. Know that. My goal today is a bigger patty, but I have made them into 6 patties if you want a little bit smaller patty. So what I'm doing is trying to get it into a square so then I can separate this. Doesn't have to be exact, but I think I've got about 4 sections that I'm going to roll into balls. Start with balls, and then I'm going to get this one. They feel about the same so far. That was a pretty good guesstimation, I will say. And if one is a little bit bigger than the other, it's okay. You don't want them extremely different in their size, but yeah, a little bit off is okay. Okay, I actually feel like this one might be a little bit smaller, but it's okay. We're gonna eat him too. Okay, so now I have my 4 patties. I'm going to press them down a little bit so they actually start to look like patties. This one I'm going to flip over because I pressed it a little hard. Really, you want to press it with your palm, not your back of your hand. Okay, this guy still, I don't know what I did to him. He doesn't look right. Put him back in a ball. Get him down there and press. Okay. I've got my 4 patties. I'm going to head out to the Blackstone. We're going to cook these up, and we're going to toast our gluten-free buns that we're serving these on. If you don't have a Blackstone, that's fine. You can cook these on the stove in a cast iron pan, or you can put them on the grill if you want. I just really like them on the Blackstone. So I'm going to get some oil down. This is some sunflower oil. I've got it on high to medium high, so it's pretty hot. So I'm going to get started here. Oh, I hear a sizzle. That's a good sign. And we're off. Okay, so it's really important. You want to get a good crust, that's flavor, on the burgers. So I'm going to give them a little bit of a press, not quite a smash burger press, but I'm still going to press them. Because I want to get brown, lots of crispy, delicious flavor. So my chicken burgers, I'm starting to see the opaque color come up the side, so it's about time to flip them. Before I do that, I'm going to get my buns on the other side of the grill, which I have on low. I've got a little bit of earth balance on the inside of each bun because I want to get those nice and toasty. And before I flip these, I'm going to hit it with a little bit of oil on each burger, so when I flip them over, they've got the juice they need to get brown on that side. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Okay, that guy does not look quite as good. I'm going to say that's a not as hot area of the Blackstone. Not my fault. I'm going to give a little press on this side as well. And we are super close to amazing chicken burgers. Okay, I think I have made the decision to take all of the buns off. Ouch, be careful, it is hot. Okay, so they are ready. Okay, the chicken is ready to come off. We've got 1, 2, 3, and this one is going on this bun right there. So I've laid in bed at night thinking about what's the best way to build a burger. Do you put some sauce on the bottom? Do you put your lettuce on the bottom, your tomato on the bottom? I've been back and forth and back and forth. You know what? I put the burger on the bottom. That's how I'm gonna roll. So this right here is my roasted red pepper sauce. It has some roasted garlic in it too. It's absolutely delicious, and I will link the video here, and a link to the recipe will be in the description below. This makes this chicken burger so good, and it's great on burgers, it's great on sandwiches, it's a great dip for veggies. You've got to make it. So I'm going to hit it with some of this. Oh my God, look at that. And I decided I wanted a little bit of a peppery feel, or flavor, not feel. So I'm adding some arugula. And by putting the sauce down first, the arugula is going to stick and not slide all over the place. And matter of fact, I'm going to give it a little bit of sauce here just to kind of then stick to my tomatoes, which I've got going on here. Yeah, let's do 3. And then onions, red onions. I know there's onion in the burger itself, but I really love onions, so I'm going to add some more. Get that to stick down too. You can tell that I love this. I'm putting a lot on. And I strangely love sweet pickles on my chicken burger. So I am piling the sweet pickles on. You do not have to put that on there. You could put dill pickles, no pickles. Matter of fact, you could dress your chicken burger how suggestion of the things I love. Okay. Look at that. That is a chicken burger that is about to meet my mouth. I am ready. Here we go. Let me get the hair out of my face first. Oh my God, it is so good. And I don't even care that I think I have stuff all over my face. I can taste all the flavors I put into that chicken. And lo and behold, I taste the chicken and it tastes good. It's great with all those flavors. It's bringing out the chicken flavor. Is it a beef burger? No, but it's a very delicious chicken burger. I love the addition of the arugula. It adds a nice pepperiness, and oh, that roasted red pepper sauce is so amazing. And of course the sweet pickles, they just add that sweetness that I love. You've got to make this. If you are bored with burgers or you're looking for an alternative, a healthy alternative, I mean, come on, it's chicken, it's a little bit healthier. Make this, your family's going to love it. I've got to eat the rest of this, so I'm just going to sign off for now. Thank you so much for watching. Again, the full recipe will be linked in the description below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We'd really like that, and YouTube loves that too. And give us a thumbs up. A like is always appreciated. And until next time, happy eating.